Stop waiting for one day. Your life and your business will not get better when things improve. They get better now, the moment you choose to stop lying to yourself and start choosing your future like it's already yours.
Most people spend their entire lives bargaining with the future. When things calm down, I will finally focus. When I make more money, I will then invest in myself. When I feel ready, I'll take the leap. But here's the harsh truth. Your life and business do not get better when things get better. They get better now. The moment you stop tolerating the version of you that keeps playing small. It gets better the moment that you interrupt the mental habits that have been quietly stealing your potential. It gets better the moment you realize that the biggest thief in your life is not your circumstances, it's your thinking. Stinking thinking is the silent saboteur of high achievers. Not a lack of talent, not a lack of intelligence, and certainly not a lack of opportunity. It's the thoughts that you let live in your head rent-free. The ones that whisper, you're too behind. You should be further along. Everybody else is doing better. What if you fail? What if they laugh? But here is a different reality that I want you to consider. Thoughts are not facts. Thoughts are merely habits. And habits can be interrupted, and they can be done so instantly. Record-setting success isn't born from motivation. It's born from mental pattern disruption, especially of bad patterns. Here are some of the best informed strategies to interrupt stinking thinking. No, not later. Number one, we want to catch the distortion in real time. So every negative thought fits into a pattern, whether it's catastrophizing, where you make everything negative, mind reading, assuming that you know what's on other people's minds, and so on and so forth, and anticipating and making false assumptions. Should statements, where I should do this, I should be here by now, you should do this. Fortune telling, by predicting the future, which you have absolutely no control of. All or nothing thinking, that if you can't do all of it, then you do nothing at all. And emotional reasoning, which doesn't need to be explained. High performers don't eliminate these. They catch them before they metastasize like bad cancers. Question to interrupt the pattern. Here's what you need to ask. What evidence do I have that this thought is 100% true? Fact is, 99% of the time, there's none. So number two, we want to replace a thought, not the goal. Try to change your life. Well, trying to change your life with broken thinking is like running a marathon with a fractured ankle. Ouch. Instead of saying, I can't do this, replace it with, I'm learning how to do this. Instead of, this always goes wrong, replace with, I can adjust as I go. This is not delusion. It may seem like it, but it isn't. This is cognitive reframing aligned with the future that you're building, and it feels much better and more empowering. We're going to do the 2-minute interrupt technique. So anytime your brain tries to sabotage you with overwhelm, start the task for 2 minutes. Not to be productive, just to interrupt the avoidance loop. So if you've been procrastinating, doing things that you need to be doing, just say you're going to do it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, guess what happens? Somehow magically the brain shifts from fear to momentum because you already started. So just do the 2 minutes pattern interrupt. And this is how empires are built. 2 minutes at a time. Just like how you bite an elephant and you eat an entire elephant 1 bite at a time. Number 4, we would need to ask the $1 million question. When fear freezes you, interrupt it with, what would the most successful version of me do right now? Not tomorrow, not next year, right now. Your brain will answer, and your body, it just follows suit, and your life, well, that will transform. Number 5, the reality check reframe. Most people underestimate what staying stuck is costing them. Reframe the fear. Fear of taking the step versus fear of staying the same. Only one of those will ruin your life, and it's not the first one. Now this, number 6, is really critical. Anchor yourself to your future, not to your past. One mistake many people make is that they argue with past versions of themselves and even past versions of their partners. Stop debating the old you. That person no longer signs your checks. Ask, what does my future self need from me today? That question alone will erase procrastination, overthinking, and the one that I have suffered with as well, perfectionism. So here are some key quotable moments. Your next level doesn't arrive with better conditions, it arrives with better decisions. You don't need more time, you need more truth. Success doesn't respond to waiting, it responds to willingness. Your future isn't created someday, it's created the moment that you stop abandoning the present. If you want record-breaking success, stop negotiating with excuses. Your life changes when your thinking changes. Everything else is a side effect. So let's talk about this closing push that you need right now. You're not stuck because you lack clarity. Let's be honest. You're stuck because you keep waiting for the moment, a moment that does not exist, at least not yet. There is no perfect moment. Ta-da! There's only now, and who you choose to become inside of it now. Record levels of success are built in the moments where nobody is watching, when nobody is clapping, when nobody believes, except you, my darling. The truth, your life will get better now when you get better now. Not later, not eventually, not when things settle. No. I'm Kari Heron, purveyor of all things good. Join me in another video and sign up to my next mastermind, which is at kariheron.com/mastermind. See you in the next cohort. The waitlist will open in a little while.